What's up guys, Alex over here in the Let's Ride Garage, and I'm about to hit the trails and I'm gonna be doing a review on these $26 hydraulic brakes. Just something to keep in mind, my local trails are mostly flat. I have a few little climbs, short but steep climbs, but nothing downhill on my area, so this will be based on the type of riding that I do. Again, I will leave affiliates for this in the description below if I can still find them, because last time I checked I couldn't find them. Remember, I bought two pairs, one for this bike and one for the other build that I was gonna make, but I ended up returning. But if I can find them, I will leave them below. If not, I will leave something that is some of the other ones that we like, you know, like the MT200s, things like that, and go from there. Remember, these are one piston brake, both front and rear, and I'm running 180 on the front, 160 at the rear for now. And other than that, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So before I hit the trail, please subscribe, turn that notification bell on. And if you want to support the channel, check all the affiliate links in the description below. You can buy these things at no extra cost to you, but helps the channel, or you can help the channel in different ways. Everything down in the description. Other than that, let's ride. Ooh, it's a little bit windy. That's fine. So the brakes, right here, this rear brake. And by the way, these came right rear, front left, just like what we used over here in the United States. So that's perfect. And this is the first ride on this brakes and rotors. So I tried to bed them in as much as I could before I started talking about it. And I gotta say, you guys know, this is my local trail and where I ride 90% of the time. So far, they've been stopping me. Not as good as a Shimano MT200, but again, they're brand new. Maybe when I finish the ride and I'm back in the garage, I have a different opinion. Lever feels comfortable. Can easily do a one finger, but you guys know I'm a fan of two finger. If you know what I mean. One finger is working, and I got a little bit of a drop. Will slide down ahead. Let's see how it goes. And they held me in place. That's good. For $26, man, 100% better than the stock mechanical brakes. No questions asked. Now, as you guys can see, this trail has a lot of curves and swerves alongside the creek. So this is where we need brakes in this trail. Otherwise, you end up in the ditch, and you don't want that. And I haven't fallen down, so that says a lot about these brakes. The $26 brakes. What's up guys, welcome back over here to the garage. It's Alex over here speaking. And if you're new here, and if you haven't, or if you're back but you haven't done so, please subscribe and turn that notification bell on. And if you want to support the channel, check the affiliates in the description below. I will be linking everything that I use down there, as well as different ways to support this channel. All right, so you know, we came back from the trail and I took my dad's Axum, the complete build, And today we're gonna be talking about the $26 brakes that I got from Amazon. These generic ones, if I can find them, because I have not seen them again since I bought them literally that same day. They just went missing. I got these brakes from Amazon. They're hydraulic, and the name on the box says bhfyp. And they come front and rear with 160 rotors as well. But they're completely brandless. It has no brand at all whatsoever, not that I can see. It also comes with the side post adapters over here. They're 2 piston brakes, and it comes with a front. It comes just front, left, right, rear. So just like we used to. And as you can see over here, the lever looks pretty generic. It says mineral oil. That's all it says. It says mineral oil 3 times. Here, here, and here. The lever looks like it has some form of adjustment over here. The adjustment screw right here. And it's not a like clamp completely open and close, but I like the way it looks. On the back, there's no batches at all. And the lever, they seem to be aluminum or magnesium or something like that. And the cap is plastic, but everything else seems to be like some type of metal alloy or whatever. Now the rear, the actual calipers themselves, again, they have no branding whatsoever. The pads, I don't know if they're like for fins. I don't know if these are actually cooling fins, but so far in the trail, let's see if we have a bleed port. I don't see a bleed port. Unless it's this thing right here, but I don't know. Now, these brakes on the trail for $26. An absolute must change on this type of bikes, on this type of Walmart bikes, because they work well. They work really well. They got better as I rode more, and I only put in like 9 miles yesterday when I rode. The more that I rode, the better they got. I tried to bed them in before the ride, but I didn't have enough space or time to do so. So they were progressively getting better and better and better. Now, if these are available, I doubt they're gonna be $26. They're probably double in price or whatever. And for that, I will 100% go with name brand Shimano MT200. However, they didn't disappoint at all. They did not disappoint. Again, I'm not the lightest guy. I'm 220 pounds. And this thing, they stopped me. They stopped me. Like I said in some of the clips on the video, on the trail, my type of riding and the trails that I ride in, we don't have a lot of ups and downs or downhill sections or anything like that. So they're perfect for this. They're perfect for my type of local trails and street riding, things like that. So if you're looking for some budget brakes, again, if I can find them, I link them. If not, I will definitely link the MT200s, because those you can't go wrong with the MT200s. But other than that, they did surprise me. They did really well. They feel very good as well on my fingers. 1 finger braking. Again, it started with 2 finger braking, but again, as the more that I rode, they get into 1 finger braking as well, because they started to bed in, and I really like them. So for $26, thumbs up, and that's it. Quick video. I hope that you like these clips. If you did, and if you're new here, if you made it this far, please subscribe if you haven't done so. Turn that notification bell on, and if you want to support the channel, I'll link everything in this video in the description below, and other ways to support the channel as well. And you can also become a channel member. Other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride.